Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on Galaxy A04s device. So first, let's just launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here we'll see our logged in Gmail accounts, and just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to this account and click remove account. After that, confirm your action by tap to remove account again. Okay, now you should verify your identity, but you can scan your fingerprint or use the pattern or passcode or PIN code, so one from your unlock methods. Now in Google account settings we can see that we just have no any logged in account, so let's go back to the application, and also in the app we can see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.